Are you dumb?
My baby
Guys, it's your girl Esther. This beautiful, talented makeup artist is gonna be doing my face, y'all.
My name is Sarima, and my Instagram page is studio_Sarima. Go follow, okay?
Check her out. She's gonna be beating my face today
To perfection.
So, it's gonna be like, you guys, I can't come and kill myself. Like,
You shouldn't.
I can't. And the thing is that my face be acting regular. All of a sudden, you guys are getting what you get, and you don't get upset. Like.
Alright guys, so I'll be priming her skin with Becca, what's it called now? Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Remember to put the foundation on your neck as well.
Dubai stuff, right?
Dubai or everywhere.
I just learned about that. I'm like, what's everyone saying about this Dubai stuff? Oh shit! That's not it. That's not it. Like, but why are we doing that? Why is
For
that?
money, we want some $50,000.
Is that?
Of your mouth.
I was just gonna ask that question.
Well, because most of us have dark.
Yeah. Like right there. Yeah. That is so. Actually, that's so like smart. Like.
Well, if your makeup artist's makeup does not last 10 hours on your face, that is your makeup artist.
She needs to be replaced. Being African was like, oh, you don't want to be African, but now being African, that's it. Cool. It's cool. Like, why? Why are we doing this now? Like, I love it. I'm here for it. You know, I don't want to say Oluleba. Oluleba. Okay. I always say Oluleba. Oju. Oju eleba.
Yes.
Got that. I got that. Every time I'm saying it really fast, I'm like, Oluleba. Oluleba. My brother was like, what is Oluleba? Excuse me? Like, he like throw yourself in the dustbin. Like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oluleba. Oh, they know my story.
you know the thing about Nigeria, as much as bleaching is like an epidemic over there, they still don't
prefer.
They don't like. They don't say, well, because you're dark skinned, you're not gonna be successful.
No.
As it is here,
Exactly.
where Spice has a problem being successful because she's dark skinned. Like Nigeria is different. It's crazy. It's like you guys have bleaching creams in every store, but then your artists, well, that's good.
Yeah.
They appreciate the talent.
They still do, and I love that. I'm like, okay, but they be doing the most with this bleaching stuff, though, bro.
And you can't tell them. You can't tell them what they're doing is weird. You can't tell them it's wrong.
Oh, you can't.
You dare not.
You cannot,
Esther.
because they'll be like, "Is he your body?" Bobrisky, my favorite guy. I love him. Guys, look, she got me out here. I don't even know.
Making choices.
I don't know. It surprised me.
Nigeria. Like once you step in there,
It will turn you into madness.
Your head just. Oh yeah, what? Literally step out of the plane. I'll just put something really light on top of it.
Oh. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Yo, you guys, check this out.
It looks cool.
Is this not the fatty? Okay. What? What?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did, bitch. I tried you.
Are you dumb? This shit is fire. Keep this. Thanks for watching. Anyways, like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.